Okay, we're heading out the door again. My snow guy came in. I'm walking through another foot of snow. This is pounding us right now. Just take a look at her, baby. We're getting hit harder now than we did earlier, and I think we got close to 2 feet of snow on the ground. Listen to that wind. This is what you call a whiteout. Yeah, baby. It doesn't get no better than this. I don't believe the mailman came today. Yeah, she is really picked up. She's definitely a full-blown blizzard now, baby. Look at her come down. That is how much snow is piled up. And that's straight. That ain't the wind doing that. It is some, but baby, there's 2 feet there.